This is just your regular Discord, and we're going to spruce it up by adding custom animations, changing its appearance theme, to even using free Discord Nitro and other features that make your Discord experience even better. Also keep in mind that we will be using a plugin called Better Discord, which is against Discord term of services and can get you banned. But to be honest, Discord doesn't really care if you use these plugins, and it's very unlikely that you will get banned. To download it, come to their website, then click on download button to download it, then open the setup, agree to their term of services, then click next, choose install Better Discord, select your Discord version and click install. Now wait until the plugin is fully installed. Now, the first thing we will do is change the animations on Discord. Head over to Better Animations from the description and hit the download button. Once it's finished downloading, open Discord and navigate to the plugins section, then click on Open Plugin folder. Now, just drag and drop the Better Animations plugin into the plugins folder you downloaded. Once you've done that, you're all set to use it. Also, make sure to download any missing libraries if prompted, and enable them. Alright, simply enable the plugin, and you're good to go. From now on, you'll experience animations like these when switching servers, accessing settings, and sending messages, etc., giving your Discord experience a fresh, new feel. You can also change your animation style by clicking on the settings icons, then select which you want to change, and you will see a lot of animations. You can check them after installing the plugin and use whichever you want. In second place, we have the Midnight theme, which completely transforms your Discord appearance. To install it, just head over to this theme and download it. Once it's finished, go to the Themes section in Discord, click on Open Themes folder, and drag and drop the Midnight theme into it. Once that's done, simply enable it from here and boom. By installing this theme, your Discord will get a fresh look with text animations and more. And the great thing is, this theme pairs perfectly with the Better Animation plugin. Alright, those were some visual upgrades. Now, let's install some plugins that can enhance your Discord experience. Before going further, make sure to like the video or you will have a bad luck for one day. First one is Nitro plugin, as this plugin allows you to use all Nitro features for free. For the plugin, come to this GitHub page. It's normally not available on Better Discord web, but you can find it here. So click on the green code button, then click on download as a zip to download the plugin. Then do the previous thing, copy and paste the plugin into plugin folder. Now go to the plugins list and enable the plugin. First feature is about streaming, which you can use to stream in high quality and in 60 frames per second like Nitro users. You can go to plugin settings and configure it by yourself. Now if you go to voice channel and do a live stream, then you can stream in fully HD quality like in 1440 resolution and 60 frames per second without Nitro. And also, using this plugin you can send animated emojis and use them. You can't send them exactly like Nitro, but it will do the work. For profile customization, just click on the option you want. For example, I'll click on Change Decoration. You'll see lots of decorations to choose from. Pick one you like, and you'll see a message saying it's copied. Now, go to your About Me section and paste the code you copied. You'll see these invisible elements appear. Click on Save Changes, and your profile decoration will be set, as you can see here. Now, you can apply the same technique to obtain other effects such as profile effects and profile colors, etc. Additionally, remember that anyone using this plugin or similar ones like FAQ and Nitro will be able to see these effects, while regular users won't. If you use this plugin, you'll be able to edit your messages swiftly by double-clicking on them. Simply make your edits and send them right away. Other than that, if you enable fast replying from plugin settings, then you will able to reply to a message just by double-clicking on the message. The next plugin is Channel Tabs, and it's one of my favorites because it allows you to navigate to your preferred channels or servers more efficiently. For instance, if you're in one server and wish to switch to another without losing track of the current channel, you can easily create a new tab. This way, you can move between different channels or servers while keeping the previous one accessible for quick access. If you navigate to the plugin settings, you'll find numerous options to choose from and edit according to your preferences. After using the plugin, you can access all these settings to customize your experience. As you know, lots of people aren't fans of the new Discord emojis, so this plugin lets you tweak your emoji style. You can switch to Apple, Google, Microsoft emojis style, which in my opinion is a plus point if you're not a fan of the default emojis. All you have to do is add the plugin to Better Discord. Then, to select emoji style, just click the edit button and you'll see a URL where you can edit your emoji style. Check the list of supported providers and pick the one you like. Then go to the end of the link and enter your preferred name before the .css. Simply save this code and you are done. Now you will be able to see and use Google-style emojis. The next plugin is called Invisible Typing. This could be useful if you're concerned about privacy, as it prevents others from seeing the typing indicator while you're chatting with them. The next plugin is a translator. I believe it could be the perfect plugin for you if you encounter people who speak different languages. With this plugin, you can easily translate messages by simply right-clicking on the message. You'll then see an option to translate it and your message will be directly translated. It could be a great choice for you because you won't need to visit any external sites to translate messages. This plugin is perfect for people like me who are a bit lazy. If you're on Discord and you have a bunch of pings that you don't feel like reading, you can just click on the red all button to clear all the notification pings from servers. If you navigate to the settings, you'll be able to customize specific options such as adding servers to the block list and adjusting various other settings. The following plugin deals with uncompressed images. As you know, Discord compresses images when you upload them. But with this plugin, you can now view images in full HD quality directly in Discord previews, eliminating the need to open them in your browser. So simply add the plugin and you are good to go. Alright guys, so these were some plugins that on my opinion can help you improve your Discord experience. I know there are a lot more plugins, but for this video these are good. Also, if you want a part 2, make sure to comment below. So thank you for watching and peace out.